What's good, YouTube? We are back with another video, guys. If you guys are tuned into the video right now, make sure you hit that like button, the subscribe button, and also stay tuned for these videos that I drop each and every week or 2 weeks. Now, before we get to the video, guys, I'm going to talk about how I made over a lump sum of money. But before we get to that, I do offer mentorship in my Discord, trade alerts, investment opportunities, and my strategies also. And yeah, if you want to tap into all that, link down below in the description. And yeah, without further ado, guys, let's jump right into this video. So first off is, how did I make a lump sum of money? Well, I was trading futures, obviously. Well, not obviously, because y'all guys don't know. But I was trading futures. If you guys didn't know, you can trade future stocks, options, forex, crypto market, blah, blah. So futures allow you to trade with more risk, more leverage, and it is more riskier, but you can make a lot of money on just a 10-point move. I will be displaying how much I made right here or right here. And yeah, I made over just 800 some bucks in my funding account. Yes, I am back in my live account. For the ones that recently have watched my old videos, I did lose my account, but now I'm back in my account. And yeah, but when I did get that account, guys, I did take a bad trade. I lost over $1,000 that same day, just getting into the account the first day. But the next day I reevaluated and I came back. I made over $1,000, I made over little what I lost. So that was great. This past Friday, I made over 800 bucks, like I just said. And now my account is sitting at 1.8K in profits. So yeah, guys, if you guys don't know what's Top Step, you have to have at least 5 days of 200 plus money days to get a payout. So I have 4 more days to go since I already passed my first day. So that is day 1 gone by already. And yeah, I will do day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, day 5 with these videos. But bear with me because I'm gonna try to be consistent of dropping these videos as I make the profits and the week go by. So yeah, with that being said, if you guys do want to learn how I did actually make the money, like what trade setup did I take, what trade was I looking at,